I don't know. I feel like we feel like we're match as jelly. I feel also it is a thing with circuit. I can just say a lot, but I'm kind of like about manage and compose myself right now. I just wanna manage and compose myself. About shoot umntu ufike ngalento leyo ukuthi always we're playing very in careful about dlala very careful and then this is the thing ukuthi now he wants the whole Africa to actually see the talent Olilep and stuff and then there are many opportunities ayigcine isiyenza ukuthi like lost like le game lena there were many opportunities. There was a time as a early game where he actually had to pass the ball about to Silva, but the guy just decided to Gutanto. I understand it was like we're forward, but there was a time with Makai and not in a better position about and Silva being like a striker very that he is, he doesn't even need many chances, but akazange amnika uze like waphuma nophuma available with Silva angamnikanga, so which is why I was even saying I think with like Ulilep it is a thing of so into I'm walking into a starting lineup. I know which match might Kubega, my substitute on the other side of you wing. I will via and swipe on my side or the side 90 minutes. I'm a type of a player pinned was is converted to be a striker somehow. I can play on the right hand side, I can play on the left hand side, but on the left hand side I'm more effective. So there's no part who's like can replace and stuff. I will go into we course and I think that is just getting to like his head. That's my she's a type of player like I enjoy the most about watching. He's a type of player. I'm sure I was even like capable of actually getting him over like good as well police. But yeah, he's supposed to I believe yo brother, you're just being too much selfish. So please, I'm like right now. Please, fix that issue.